Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the impact of climate change on ecosystems. Let's explore how our planet's ecosystems are being affected, some examples of impacted ecosystems, and the conservation efforts being made to protect them. How ecosystems are affected. Climate change affects ecosystems in several ways. Rising temperatures can alter habitats, disrupt the timing of natural processes like flowering and migration, and even lead to the extinction of species. For instance, warming oceans can cause coral bleaching, while melting ice caps threaten polar bears' survival. Examples of impacted ecosystems. Host. Let's look at some specific examples. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are suffering from increased ocean temperatures and acidification. Rainforests, home to countless species, are facing deforestation and habitat loss. And in the Arctic, melting ice is drastically reducing the habitat for polar bears and other wildlife. Conservation efforts. Despite these challenges, there are numerous conservation efforts underway. Organizations like the IUCN and UNESCO are working to establish protected areas, restore habitats, and promote sustainable practices. Community-led initiatives are also playing a vital role in protecting local ecosystems. Climate change is a global issue, but every one of us can make a difference. By supporting conservation efforts and making sustainable choices, we can help protect our planet's precious ecosystems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more environmental insights.